Серьезно? Да без фонтами треба, так?
Give me that fucking bike. Think you're gonna get away with this?
Куда ты бежишь? Ну, догоняй. Сюда машину.
Specifically about that bitch at the liquor store.
Так, ранчик остался. Танки Комет, SFX, Stafford, Сломбан. Танки Комет, SFX, Stafford, Сломбан. Сломбан треба знайти день. Блин, 5900 буду говорить, где знаю, находится. Ближайшее. Я не хочу ехать в третий город.
Don't sweat.
Third husband was a brave man. That was the song he was singing when he went swimming in the lake, carrying a big old weight around his neck.
Andale, I got Panocha waiting for me.
Вот это зверка.
Hello.
Hi, is Mark there? It's me, Shannon. You met at Jack's party?
Yeah. How can I forget? Wow. How you doing? I haven't heard from you in
9 months.
Проверить в этом мотоцикл нет, это код.
Change your life. San Andreas telephone for those difficult conversations.
Надеюсь, не завести Сломбан, я бачу один раз. Боюсь, зверка стоит.
What you been drinking?
When a girl walked up beside him, and this is what she said. She said a woman came by with a letter for you. This is what the letter
Кто-то наблюдал себе за воротник. Извинял, читаю.
Hey, you look good. What you doing later?
If you don't hurry back, I'll be gone.
Ándale, homie.
Soundtrack rendery. Wyda kolor. Tak, wyda kolor. Słomban, super słomban.
Then John, he got up from the table. Slowly he walked outside. He was thinking of his wife, little children at home, and how his drinking had ruined their lives.
Słomban.
Then John stared off into that street light, and a vision filled his whole
You deserve a
whole heart
propina.
with
Słomban, Stafford, Fischer, Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong, Słomban, Stafford, Fischer. Stafford, Comet, Słomban, Fischer. Танки. Сломан, давайте тут один. Есть? Нема сломан? Нема сломан. Нико.
Out there, I don't sweat them. Going my media assassin, watch out. You're in my scope, all y'all. And I got my invisibility cloak on. Forthright MC here, showing you what hip-hop is all really about. Playback FM.
Я тоже, бля. Сообщения, ничего нет. Someone CCR.
Today, we marched on from Fort Strother after sunrise to a creek village where our troops fought the savages and shot them like dogs.
Honey, it's time for bed.
Hang on a second. I'm killing a squaw. Take that, you pagan bitch.
Сломбон. Сломбон шифер, если башука. Я не видел здесь шифер.
Then I heard about grown men who like to play with toy soldiers.
War is so interesting. With commemorative miniatures, I began by faithfully rebuilding the Charge of Light Brigade. And after that, the trail.
Бенша он едет.
I've built accurate recreations of 15 single-family battles, as well as training camps, prisoner of war camps, and forced labor death camps. Now I spend all my time painting toy soldiers and attending conventions.
Commemorative miniatures. They're instantly collectible and a great value. For just 37 monthly payments of $19.99, you get a starter pack allowing you to recreate the battle of your choice. Show your inability to deal with present-day problems by recreating scenes of mass slaughter from the past.
Reenacting battles is great for your marriage, too. One night, my husband's General Custer. The
You
next,
do know how to drive this thing,
on
right?
Saturdays, I'm a Cambodia
You hit me,
ninja,
fool!
and he's a GI that has his way with me.
Then I kill her.
Что ты робишь?
I'm having this fight.
Get down and stay down.
Get down, stay down. Дайте мне нормальный мотоцикл.
Don't mind me.
Yo, man, I don't think they heard you. Why don't you tell them what your name is? My name is Easy, yeah, this is true. Keep your attention as
Man, that record is hot.
suckers stay away because, yo, they know the time. Quiet on the seconds, I'm a
Babylon flows, always waiting for I.
It's me and the biz.
Welcome back. Forthright MC trying to bring civilization to the desert out here. A wise man from the east. Me, Forthright MC, only on playback.
Yo, it's me and the
Playback FM, the station for classic hip-hop. Word up. Come live the mystery.
Сломбон шифер.
Cool off in our water sports park. I'll show your kids a great time. It's something.
That is such a great song. So much better than cartoons. I hate cartoons. They're so stupid and cheery. Life is not cheery.
Targeting an entire generation of epic.
Los Santos 11. Окей.
How you allowed to drive if you blind? Drive, pal.
Here, go get some reading lessons.
Что это за машина? Это Буллет? Это Буллет.
How may I serve you?
Так, дайте одну маленькую,
Please enjoy your meal.
одну среднюю
I have enjoyed
и
serving you,
4
sir.
великих креветки.
Munch your way to bliss, sir. Have a wonderful day.
I'm not the office gopher.
Have a wonderful day.
Эти живы есть и ладно. Снимаю с крана. Это я ёлпень.
Really that dumb?
Careful! Brother, I have no time here! Oh. You look good in my... I'm gonna get downtown!
Just got checked.
I was a young kid rapping, I've been rocking ever since. I was just a young buck. I didn't care what MCs were ever moving up under the butt, cause I'm the godfather. I'm the godfather. Of course, silly young ladies just chill, they don't say no to me. Always say that they will. Whatever I want them to, when I confront them to. Watch where you're walking, or you just might bump into another rule.
Hey, dude, let's get out of here!
If they ever try to believe, that's when I'm the godfather. I'm the godfather. No time to be jealous, only to make money. I rap on stage, shake my butt for your money. Cause I'm a rockin', I'm a non-stoppin' MC baby, who loves finger poppin'. So don't diss me, just kiss me. If I ever have you and leave, you're gonna miss me. I'm just a brother, so what's up, sis? Cause it's the pretty young ladies that make me talk like this. Just I'm the godfather.
Hey, don't spend this all in one place!
Не снимал мотоцикл. Нема. Шкода.
I don't do taxi drivers.
You mess with me and both of your eyes, I'll swallow you up like I'm a phone. I'm about to take charge, I got this shots, bring a new car from my garage. All the ladies wanna cruise me, they don't use me. See my bankroll, they wanna try to use me, but I'm no.
Hey, right on time.
You want to beat as well?
600. 400.
I'm having this car.
Some even want to be me. Pretty young What are all these people talking about inversion therapy? Talking about facial fears. I got some therapy for you.
If you want to be learning about the evolution of hip-hop,
Так само 400.
How you allowed to barbecue blonde?
Yeah, there's a party over here. Y'all know y'all can't touch this. You might want to try. Here's some real shit here, huh? Yo, West Coast cats, some classic hip-hop in the house. With me, Forthright MC, reading comic books and spinning records. Yo! All the way from Wimbledon and South
I'm
London,
late for a meeting.
the slickest of them all, only on playback. Hope you're all getting ready for
Свали
bed.
нахрен.
Has a little star for you. With the rule of crumbs.
You kids get to bed, I get the story. Y'all tucked in? Once upon a time, not long ago.
Ну это мотоцикл буду сегодня снить.
Here's a little extra for you.
Что там за 108? Сламбан, фисяр, кометы, танки. Сламбан возносить, фисяр будем шукать. Комет веду, где стоит. Сламбан. Да, не виду я, что попаду в такую ловушку. Что не буду знать, где взять фисяр. Где взять. Некий мотоцикл, напевно, копав. А, коп. Правда.
Saying Forthright, you talk a lot of shit about democracy and equality, but you got all this money, you ain't sharing it. Oh, you ignorant fools.
Today, we marched on from Fort Strother after sunrise to a creek village where our troops fought the savages and shot them like dogs.
Come on, I'm in a rush.
It's time for bed.
Hang on a second. I'm killing a squad. Take that, you pig, bitch. No, no.
This commemorative miniatures. My husband was getting so bored working and he didn't have an interest to spend money on. But he's always loved history. Then I heard about grown men who like to play with toy soldiers.
War is so interesting. With commemorative miniatures, I began by faithfully rebuilding the Charger Light. And after that, the Trail of Tears. I've built accurate recreations of 15 significant battles as well as training camps,
Это будет ходом.
forced labor, death camps. Now I spend all my time painting toy soldiers and attending conventions.
Commemorative miniatures. They're instantly collectible and a great value. For just 37 monthly payments of $19.99, you get a starter pack allowing you to recreate the battle of your choice. Show your inability to deal with present-day problems by recreating scenes of mass slaughter from the past.
Reenacting battles is great for your marriage, too. One night, my husband's General Custer. The next, Napoleon. On Saturdays, I'm a Cambodian villager, and he's a GI that has his way.
Then I kill her.
Commemorative miniatures.
I did and so on.
They're very valuable, collectible 2-inch pewter model armies. This is a hobby you can't afford to miss out on.
Now let's see if you can get your tiny half-formed brains around this record. Too many out there think y'all can flow. Here's a track. Let it go, baby. Let it go.
And a little extra for you.
You know how to drive this thing, right? What's your problem? I'm having a fight.
Цудовно. Цудовно, послідовно. Так, здесь мне ЦЗК показывал открываться путь и маршруте. Так, одной проблемой меньше. Значит, свампан и камень на столице. И больше не треба сбивать мотоциклистов. Вон танки комит. Танки его тут не ездят. Свамбан комит. Свамбан. Блин, свамбан складно найти. Можно з'явиться где завгодно, вельми редкий. Ну будем шукать, что забить. Я поехал. Телефоную полицию.
I wore a leather helmet playing football. The left side of my face is paralyzed, but it was worth it. We won the game. I mean, my boy goes to high school, right? And he's actually given a choice of different sports to play. There's only one sport.
I know it's ruining this country's traditions and history.
I mean, I want him to be a big sports star, so I don't have to work no more. He can afford all the drugs and hookers he wants. And he's only gone and started playing lacrosse.
Ну вот так синему. Ой, как
Bag on a stick and wearing a skirt. Might as well teach my boy to hunt butterflies.
Okay, I guess you're right. Go on. It all depends how you look at things. Any race fans out
Красиво.
there?
Music never gets old. Just a little dusty. The dust.
Hi, what are you afraid of? Heights? Flying? Polio? Whatever your fear, it's time to face it. Hi, I'm Darius Fontaine, the creator of Inversion Therapy. For years, we've helped patients get past their deepest and darkest fears and get on with their lives. Just listen to this.
I was having really dark thoughts.
Ну вот это делать это по маслом мрамор.
Incredible! But, you know, it works. That's inversion therapy. Fear it, face it, do it, conquer it. Got it? Just listen again.
Yeah, okay. I was terrified of my children being harmed, so I stabbed them. Didn't hurt me that much. Yeah, now I'm not afraid of anything.
That's another life saved! Inversion therapy works! I know. When you take your fear head on, then it's time to move on. I'm Darius Fontaine. Call me today. I'll change your life. Promise. Call 1-866-FACE-FEAR. when you heard a hoot track with Townsend on the vocals. But when he stepped up, you knew he was going to blow you away. The greatest band to come out of West London, no
Ну в
questions
чому я не
asked,
забув
no
это
quarter
Сомбан,
given.
але я його
Turn
не
it up,
зауважив. Это не Сомбан. О, Country Club. Денег поехал. Где мы будем шукать саму? Я не ведаю.
Here, baby, you need this more than I do.
Пляжу их тут. Достатково отъехал, убежал. Ой, сталкер. Видишь, не треба двері ніякі відчиняти. Оп. Судовно. Судовно, послідовно. Так, сломбон и это самое танки.
Excuse you. You want me to rough you up? I'm gonna slap you good. Not my beautiful car. Ah, man. Look where you going.
Слов, ты меня достал.
Even if it is other people's. Hey, whatever happened to Love Fist?
Сломбона нема. И такси нема. Ни сломбона, ни такси. Что за день? Ни сломбона, ни такси.
Lights, camera, action, baby. I like the way you spread me, so I'ma spread this all over you.
Сломбон. Судовно.
Hey, diddle diddle. I got something for your middle.
А ты не знаешь, ты сломбон. А сколько ты привез? 50? Еще. Это вельми странно. Может, будем без цели кататься, покупать самого. Jak ja to zrobił?
Very intelligent.
Jak ja to testować trudno? No что тебе сломан бака? Не могу. Нема сломана.
Inbreed makes you dumb, huh?
Блин, ну это не такого.
That's gonna make you crazy, girl. You gonna need some therapy when I'm done with you.
Hey, Foxy people. Big Daddy's back in town and he's taking control of the radio.
Big Daddy's back in town.
У меня же 50 такси, так сказать, можно такси должно быть.
You teach your children a lot of good American values, but have you taught them how to have fun? For family entertainment that doesn't stop, head on over to the Starfish Resort and Casino in Las Venturas. You deserve this kind of fun. Water slides, shooting range, and the kids love the
Еще вот в детстве первый раз вам зашел в что. Там тут стояли на въезд купа машин. И одна из них была шламбом.
Time is meaningless in the land of tomorrow. It's the Starfish Resort and Casino Hotel in Las Venturas. Mom can go all night on the one-armed rail while the kids visit the Little Tykes pawn shop.
How'd you do, Charisse? I busted myself and sold a kidney. That's my girl.
Share the love with your family, the love of money, and the Starfish Resort and Casino has the best buffet in Las Venturas, featuring our world-famous bacon trough. The Starfish Resort and Casino. This kind of fun should be illegal.
Look where you going.
Нема сломана. Зараз полетим в Google, будем шукать. Це що не бачу клірі? Сейбер.
Get out of here, Paul!
We're not stopping. Even if the cops are at the door.
Did you steal your license? Ah, man, thanks for that.
KDST. The dust.
God, I love the night. Almost as much as I love hairspray.
Shit!
Кто-нибудь разумеет, что не любит? Вот что я не люблю. Ну, увязался-то, допустим, и... Но и Мэтта дали увязаться. Я не разумею, как. Это некое дивное поводение, например. Можно я вам принесу фото с вами? Глядите, у меня есть. Я могу на вот липе сделать, я могу сделать фото с вами. Ось это, ось стоит. Червоный. Есть мотоцикл, есть трактор. Все, что треба есть. Ну просто тобі это знаки.
Ah, screw you!
Не. Судовно. Ничего не скажешь. А ничего сказать и нет треба, да? Треба.
Hello? Lisa? Yeah?
How you doing, bitch? How do you like living in that house we built together? Do our kids like watching that bald bastard of a new husband kiss you in the morning? They want their real father, Lisa.
When you just can't be there in person. San Andreas Telephone for those difficult conversations.
Jak on to robił? Где машина стоит?
No touching.
Это Стаффорды ездит? Ну да.
Give me that fucking field.
Тут Стаффорд. Куда он?
Stress out there. Not enough love and not enough fun. Hey, your mama, she needs some fun. Who you talking about? Your mama. Stop worrying about everything. Start moving, soldier. That's an order.
Fallen 3. Я голоден, я жрать хочу. Бля, это войны ранил. Еще ж таки был. Они тонкие.
I'm having this.
Tennessee.
What the fuck's name are you doing?
Самого войны ранил.
Someone's breaking into your home. What do you do? Call 911? It takes the police an average of 35 minutes to respond to a 911 call. In that time, a burglar could have his way with your wife, smoke a cigarette, flip her over and go in for seconds. Don't let the worst happen to you. It is vital that you protect yourself. Do it the patriotic way.
That's right. Ammunition has all the equipment you need to protect your family from the evils of a liberal society. Fixed, mounted, and shoulder-held submachine guns, mortars, surface-to-air, and all manner of heat-seeking missiles. And just in to celebrate the Gulf War, pink and blue tracer bullets so you can protect your family in the dark. Start the week off right on Make My Day Mondays with 2 for 1 on main, strafe, and kill landmines. Got Gulf War syndrome? Get $10 off all machine gun rentals. Hey, if you love your family,
Тайный справился. Я хотел тайную экспресс. А я уже не могу.
Juice wrote this track about me, Queen of Hearts. I've had my heart broken. I've been played with.
Это что, войны ранил? Не выглядаю никак не ранил.
Look here, are you hungry? I love eating salad. Hey, put on some Harlem's.
Бензовоз. Запишите, кто инфу потребен. Так. Туда он. А где ж мы будем шукать Сомвон?
You spent too long in the sun, moron. Fuck you, man.
Нифига маленький.
You trying to ruin my day, asshole?
You're good, but let's be honest, you're not perfect. And that's not American. We strive to be #1 in everything. Sports, politics, economics, homelessness, degeneracy. Los Santos is the home of beauty and glamour for the whole world. Live up to society's expectations, play your part. Your body is a work of art. Don't leave it half finished. It's time for your creative plastic surgery. We'll make your face as tight as a drum. We'll suck fat out of your body with an industrial pump. Increase your confidence with fake breasts. To ensure people know what you're all about. For more adventurous, why not try an extra nose or 3 breasts? You know how much men like breasts. Can you imagine how wild they'll go for others?
My wife was complaining that she did all the work. Carried the baby for 9 months, had painful labor. It's not fair to her. My nipples are useless.
Someone. Тебе надо снести сломбон.
I'm proud to welcome you to Burger Shot. Munch your way to bliss, sir. Hope we see you again, sir. I hope you enjoy your meal. Have a wonderful day.
Ну все, пришел час лезть в игру. Потому что я не бачу ни в одной максимальности знести сломбон. Да я скажу, едете в третий голос. Да я не хочу ехать в третий голос. Может, ты найти сломбон где-нибудь тут? Я уже тренируюся налезть в подобные машины. Вот. Нічого огульного. Може 7. Але я такий, ну... Гэта яна. Нічого огульного. Dun, dun, dun. Все, лезу в угол. Не могу, значит. Сдаюсь. Так, Свом вон, куда самом Андреас.
I can't wait to emigrate.
You know you wrote it.
И пишем говорили. Школа. Погоди.
Come on, man. Get that heat. Oh.
Glasses. Three-way.
А погоди, это где? Погоди. Присоединить. Погоди. Ну вот, да, я его тут бачу. А еще вот он мостов огрел. А я про мост Харви ничего не писали. А ось на погоди я вас правда бачу. И что, ехать теперь в Чужой? Маленький окон. Вы серьезно, варианты? Даже еще пошукаю какие-нибудь посылки.
Ships crash landed.
This is the party.
Yeah.
The party on bounce.
You know you want it. You know you want it. We gonna play so much funk. You gonna be so cross-eyed when you cry tears roll down your back.
I got a VIP to pick up.
Hey, baby, this is Funkapus, and I got my tentacles around your San Andreas. Ain't my fault. Shaking.
Не маслом был. Эль Корона. Где это Эль Корона? Ну что? Ну, полетели. Ну, я не бачу таких варіантів. Я на тут вона до часу от часу спавнить. Но мне не пошанцевал і завод. Треба було коли тоді бачив ставить у гараж. Офицер арестован, арестован. Да. Нормально, прилетели уже вон. Санта Мария. Как она называется? Как это пляж называется? Блин, я не памятаю, Санта Мария называется, напомню. Чему нет? Могли бы и отшелку дать.
Give me that fuck beat. Where you going?
Так, у этой Эль-Короне мы шукаем некий стрип-клуб. Это подобно на стрип-клуб? Подобно. Так что, вот тут стоит сломан. Вот тут. Конференц-центр. Пляж Санта-Мария, это правильно. А видите, чому він називається пляж Санта-Марія? Максима в Лос-Анджелесе так само есть таких пляж. Але головное, это то, что Америка открыл кто? Ведомо, Христофор Колумб. А на яким кораблі він це зробив? Правильно? На кораблі Санта-Мария. Там и пляж называется Санта-Мария.
The party never stops.
Oh my shit! Party shit.
Funk
Today, we marched on from Fort Strother after sunrise to a creek village where our troops fought the savages and shot them right.
Это чудовная элита.
Hang on a second. I'm killing a squaw. Take that, you bitch.
Это можно назвать частным мастодством.
My husband was getting so bored working and he didn't have an interest to spend money on, but he's always loved history. Then I heard about grown men who like to play with toy soldiers.
War is so interesting. With commemorative miniatures, I began rebuilding the Charge of Light. And after that, the Trail of Tears. I've built accurate recreations of 15 significant battles, as well as training camps, prisoner of war camps, and forced labor death camps. Now I spend all my time painting toy soldiers and attending conventions.
Commemorative miniatures. They're instantly collectible and a great value. For just 37 monthly payments of $19.99, you get a starter pack allowing you to recreate the battle of your choice. Show your inability to deal with present-day problems by recreating scenes of mass slaughter from the past.
Reenacting battles is great for your marriage, too. One minute, my husband's General Custer. The next, Napoleon. On Saturdays, I'm a Cambodian villager. And he's a GI that has his way with me.
Then I kill her.
Не забывайте, собирайте свои ведро. Так, Блейд, Фривей. Что такое Фривей? Фривей. Это мотоцикл. Добро, место. Сетор 350. Гилгас, Банша, Супер GT, ну, это сам Хантли, BF Injection. Хантли, BF Injection. Все рядом стоит. Супер GT, Банша. Фривей только не видно, треба 10 на шоссе його шукати. Где можно снести фривей? На шоссе, відомо.
I'm having this.
Все стоит побольше. Вот тут должен быть какой-нибудь Хантли, його нема. Чому його нема? Ти бачив, що мою машину? Зараз поедем за Хантлить и за Банш. А зараз я зароблю свій перший мільйон у хуткім часу. Три списи по 10 машин. Это вот 30 машин. Но мы сегодня все не будем робить, мы сегодня выкинем только 27. Бо Евросъем только в этом есть. У вас Сантос і Джорні так само треба їхати за город. А якщо є це саме. М'ясо. Так от тут так само вельми цікаве місце він є. Так що правда я bumped into you. Та-ля-та-та-та-та-ля-та-та-ля-та. Та-ля-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та. Currently мільйона не маєш. Нічого, зараз за бенчі дадуть. Так, бувайте ще потрібен.
Oh, my baby mama's gonna kill me.
Там мы большинствовали. Что там у меня бенчи, что фривей? Фривей, бенчи. Фривей, бенчи, а, затарка. И БФНЕФ. Треба поїсти зараз коля бенчі. А затарку ще пошукати треба десь. Ну затарок шмат. Это не сломан. Но это, здається, мне будет престижность.
What can I say? I'm a bad man.
А вот что в идее буду шукать, я не видел.
Something from a couple years ago or sometime back, I don't know. I can't remember all that stuff. What I do is I play what I want. I'm Sage. I do what I want. I slept with this guy once. Guns N' Roses gonna blow your head off, and they will.
Треба поесть. Так, треба поесть.
How may I serve you? Hope we see you again, sir. Please enjoy your meal. Have a wonderful day. Hope we see you again, sir.
Дякую. Нема. Нема бенчі. Поехали за БФНЕФ. Здесь не набытый майон такой здесь, если снять проект. И все. Лос-Сантос 2 дома не 3. Ось там не купленный дом. Там не купленный. Во все деревни не куплены, короче, карты.
You're a tool for the man.
Где мы будем чашку посчитать? Я не помню, где на этом пляже барахом есть. Вот он.
On Gardening with Maurice. Gardening with Maurice, only on WCTR.
Talk is cheap, especially on this station, featuring more rich, angry people complaining. WCTR.
Давай ее потопим зараз. Ну что, там зачем просто рисовать? Можно и потопить. Так, Бенши. Что там еще? А, Бенши, Фривей. И Пяшка. Пяшка, Фривей, Бенши. Судовно. Будем шукать сейчас зараз Фривей Google годины. Бенши, Пяшка, Фривей.
Let's connect.
Довольно вот это все. Почему не на ФВ? Быстро не туда еду.
So you can't smoke out in the rain. It's that time of the month. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so cranky. I killed the gas station attendant, but he deserved it. You know what's great about this station? It's like a big mixtape. Someday Bleak Souls will be able to make mixed CDs and be able to actually sit through the drudgery of their own creation. Pain is music. Music is about being an individual. So everyone, listen to this music. It's Radio X.
Что, у меня есть миллион? Нема миллиона. Ты больше в ФВ скрафти были миллион. ФВ пяшка.
That was on purpose!
Gee, I'm just taking your call.
Let's party! Then let's go traveling to the Far East and live at one with nature. Then later we'll party again.
Let's
do this, like you deserve it. 28th Street crew, I need a rhythm, and I do. I also need some roach in here, schnell.
Шмель. Так, ФВ, вот ФВ. Не ФВ. Не ФВ. Так само не ФВ. Ну, будем шукать. Летний проехал мимо. Биг Смок, я тебя забью. Вот ты забил мою мамку. Блин, в сельское местовых ехать за ФВМ-то, что? На моторвей поеду. Все, мой первый миллион. Миллион бабок. Да, не? Натиснуть же треба. Миллион бабок. Давай поглядим, там 4 предмета повинно быть. ФВ, место, евро, черный. Так, да, все правильно. Тобок нам застался только фривей. І де ми його знайдемо? Його можна знайти. Не де тут. Більше шансів. Тільки в місцевості, мені здається.
Give me this fucking core.
Banana, banana, mama.
An Asian pastime just like cyber optic.
Mom, look, I'm playing with myself.
Есть фривей какие-нибудь? А если знайду? Коли знайду? А у вас есть фривей у кого-нибудь? Кто-нибудь на фривей будет ехать, нет? Фривей. Есть? Есть фривей? Оп. Хлопцы, фривей есть? Поехали со Смол Ангела. Кого прийти купим? На 8 фривейна. Ну, Амаль. Амаль фривей.
What you on, fool?
Вот фривей. Вот это фривей. Так, ну скотч подряд. Ну кто-то подряд.
You wanna beat this wheel?
Ну ты, чувак, змагався? Той чувак. Змагався за свой мотоцикл, я на його тримав. А ти не змагався, я у тобі його скрав. Що просто? Бронекамизелька. Не могу это.
Texas, gotta love it. Move here for the weather, but they hide the sun under a cloud of police.
Все. $1 миллион 30 тысяч. Это тяжело.
Give me that fucking veal.
Mickey Gilly's so damn sexy. I saw him in concert and be found a pair of bloomers. I'd ride on his.
Come on. I'm looking for a ruka like you.
Не сникнут машина колесами. Але не сникнут. Или сникнут. Не памятаю.
Look where you going. Have a good time. It's on me.
Obviously. Didn't your mommy love you?
Someone should have a radio station exclusively dedicated to commercials. I mean, they've
Особое отделение. Отделение Фербери. Все, годно, погнали.
You're listening to Radio X, the birthplace of modern rock and fundamental social upheaval.
Будет налепшая окольная машина. Некоторые лицензии, але не будет. Для меня будет. Поэтому можно расфарбовать белый, червоно-белый колер. Это удобно. Выглядає вельми пригод. І он хуткий. Его действительно можно сдобыть. Как это самое захолкивание. Fuck you too. Хуй тебе два. Так, а там есть пенсии? А як я вниз сойду? Дай почему там есть пенсии? Головне до його доїхати. Ай-яй-яй-яй-яй, великий бум отворили. Треба відати час. Нема.
Time for some more of that New Jack Swing, girl. Just don't be afraid, alright? Aaron Hall gonna look after us after all.
Багдик. Так на всі так само нема.
Kiflam and kaboog, Uncle Brother.
Ну, про Багдик я не хочу. Медикал центр. Чикола. Амунейшн. Вот тут я был. Ну, як я назову маленькая эмунация, что тих зробить? 16 нему 18 является, напевно. Будем чекать. Катана. Грабки как. Ну, это монатор. Ну, будем чекать. Ну-ка, шпитали як-небудь на карте позначены. Шпиталь хоть один. Вот это позначено, не, ни один не позначен. Не ось, это где тут? Ось. Не ось, это які десь тут знаходиться. Не в Сосне Пайн. Ангел Пайн.
This is beauty.
Тут есть свет. Делать. Удобно. Будет ближе. Няма. Видно, в 19 все-таки является.
We won't pretend it doesn't hurt, but these days, beauty is worth fighting. For.
Oh, you want a potato. You are less than a potato. Less.
Who needs dignity when you're thin? You'll never see people so skinny, happy, and undignified as when they leave our spa. Hair Gruber Spa.
My manager keeps telling me I'm gonna be the new guy in the block. We're gonna be doing music, sitcoms, but I'll never forget where I came from. Never. You're gonna always be my girl, even if I get famous.
Где ты? Я нахуй не вычеркну. Она поломалась. Алексей, кажется, мы зараз видим, сейчас я направляюсь. Może je просто всередині снемо.
But it's natural.
What's your problem?
Tornado without a heart without you.
Damn, I just sold my soul to the devil. Sure you did, but you were missing with all this money.
New Jack Swing. Welcome back to Big Philly Mick. I love singing my own name. Have you tried it? Sing my name.
Get off the road!
You're not dreaming. You're not dreaming. San Andreas. This is reality.
Меня заключил.
Now hold on a second.
Now that's a song. Man, when you're with your girl, keep a leg down each side and your mind in the middle. That was my late husband Earl's problem.
И чему я не могу?
Hey, Brian, what's your concern?
I did really well in the 80s, but the 90s are proving to be a real drag. The music is terrible. The recession is kicking my ass. Everyone I...
Это нечто странное. Так не повинно было быть.
The tight end zone is next. Brought to you by Lager Beer and Redwood Cigarettes. A game just isn't a game if you're not drunk and
Ну
confident.
что есть? Залетело чисто.
Hey, babe.
Hey, lady.
How about a nice romantic meal?
No problem if that's what you want.
Today on the big show, clearing out more housing projects for golf courses. Girls in skirts. And we revisit the rivalry that never
You
dies.
should get so
Liberty
many
City
cars.
Cocks and Beavers going at it again. Love it, loathe it. Buy the jersey, eat the junk food, call it athletics. I'm Derek.
This neighborhood is nice and friendly. This whole desert is crawling with CIA.
Yeah, go on.
Do you have a current driver's license?
Winner takes all, good.
А похоже, что так.
Why don't you boys ever talk about the real issue in sports today?
Подобно, что есть.
Tradition. I wore a leather helmet playing football. The left side of my face is
Что машина, по-моему, ты бы ты выходишь сквозь.
You better respect me, Carl, or you'll be sorry.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Sports to play. There's only one
Ну, это
I know
написано.
it's ruining the sky.
Ты мне в очи гляди хотя бы.
Best date I've been on in ages. Look where you're going. CJ, would you mind taking me home?
Sure. Поймай.
Oh, Carl, I love it.
And we don't win at it. Next caller.
Hi, Derek. My name's Cole, and I'm a big racing fan. I tell you that where I'm from, there's nothing more exciting than
Carl, what are you doing?
going deaf in 110 degrees.
I'm jumping.
Cars going in circles for several hours.
Are you scared?
Not many men would go out with a female cop.
Yeah, this is really interesting.
That really gets on my nerves. I mean, I'm a bald man. My wife nothing to, and half the cars are sponsored by baldness.
Castrodon Team Racing.
Yeah, wasn't the name of my mother?
We'll do something again soon.
I'll see you around, girl.
Or cigarettes, not the reason my wife ran off with that cop.
What? Hey, screw your wife, pal. Probably a lot of guys did.
Ну все, на этом мы сегодня скончим. Дякую всем, кто глядел. До побачення. Гуляйте в доброе відео.